has come to seek and save that which was lost. Has come to save, to seek and save that which was lost. Now, Genesis chapter number 1. A person is created in the likeness of God. But along the way, the likeness of God has been lost. That is why Paul remembered what in because the image of God in us has been lost. Because that is when the because the image of God in us has been lost. That is why when you read the book of Matthew, because the authority back then was lost, and now God is restoring the authority back to his people. Because when you have the authority, We're restoring.